I know that's supposed to be Tivian, but he actually looks like David Bowie freeze-dried with that freaking lizard. Always, you know what I'm saying?
That's later today. That's what's coming out. Oh yeah, he's tired.
Is your extinction.
I'm telling you.
Attention terror. May I present to you the collector.
Welcome, distinguished guests, to your VIP to my collection. The most comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life forms in the galaxy.
Hey, do you guys validate?
On today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see in the flesh my numerous acquisitions, the guardians of the galaxy.
All the way forward, please.
Oh, really cool sign. Check that out.
Attention. Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
Chance is over.
Raise your hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tania Togon's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's shoot this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Look at this, man. You've got to be nuts to try and take your restraint test. You got to be nuts. That's the stupidest TikTok that I ever heard. Wondering if I should lose a hat. Last words.
Okay, everyone, I want to hear you scream as loud as you can. Ready? 2, 3.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
There's nothing you did all the fighting. You didn't help us at all.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit the gantry doors. We trust
Alright. Yeah. So craziness. Look at me. Look how much I cringe. Look at my friend just taking it in stride and me just, oh my gosh. And you must earn Rocket's respect. Oh yes. There's my friend. I think I lost my friend again. I've been losing him a lot. I don't mean to. Alright, let's find my intergalactic friend. Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. my goodness. And that is Guardians of the Galaxy, friends. And it looks even better at night. Oh yes. Ah, we did it. We got on, I mean, less than 30 minutes. And look at the crowd now, holy cow. We got on a good time. All right, woo. So at any rate, this is the Mad Hatter. And don't you go changing, or, well, you know, I'll find you. Peace.